Hello everyone and welcome back. So the first thing we want to do is to join a workshop. So I'm currently at rebelway.net. I'm going to go to the Learn section and we're going to pick the Houdini fundamentals. And I'm going to click on Join Now and Enroll. It's going to add it to the cart. And then if we click Proceed to Checkout, it's going to take us to rebelway.academy. This is our learning platform. We're going to do the purchase here. And then once we create an account and complete the order, it's going to forward us to this link. rebelway.net, /welcome. And after completing the order, we're going to get to this page that says, thank you for joining the workshop. And now you can access the training by going to rebelway.academy. And this is the first step that we need to go through. And once we get to this website, we're going to log in and start learning. So continue in the next video. Thank you guys for watching and see you in a bit.